Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So, on the pound yen, I've been talking about this possibly making a double top at the 90 and possibly turning down and breaking structure. If that does happen, it's going to prove to me that the weekly time frame has finished the way B, and that's going to be the beginning of a very large move to the downside, most likely. But just because it's out of resistance area doesn't mean I'm going to go to shorter time frames and start looking for shorts. The only thing that's going to turn me into a seller is seeing a break of structure to the downside at the Fibonacci level that I'm watching. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I've been recommending nothing but longs for the last couple weeks now, so hopefully everybody's been following along with that. My most recent structure is right here on the 1 hour time frame. If it breaks below there, I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts, especially if it bounces from a fib level and breaks structure. If it doesn't, anything I see to the downside, even if it does bounce from a fib level, is possibly only a pullback within an uptrend, at least until I get that significant break of structure. So as always, the trend is your friend until the trend proves otherwise with that nice break of structure at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.